So, as I said before in the previous video, the fire starting video, we've got some extra shirts. This is one of them.
Check it out.
Dana for making these. Yeah.
Got the Sasquatch camper.
It's got the backpack.
That's right.
Beast Mode. And Brian Bowes, you were one of the highest commenters on YouTube, so you get the next shirt.
Brian, get the shirt. Woo!
I'll be reaching out to you.
Sweet. Congrats, Brian. Anytime you're camping, at some point, nature's gonna call. So, you know, if you're not one of the type of people that like to go to all these state parks and park on the side of the road and camp by, you know, with your running water and flushable toilets and everything.
Do not go in there. Woo!
We're in the wild, man, wilderness. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What's up, campers? What's up? I'm Steve. This is Tony. We are Beast Mode camping right now. In this one, we're going to show you what to do when nature calls out at a primitive campsite. We're going to build you a legit privacy tent for the potty. A potty tent, if you will. Come ahead, check it out.
You gotta go.
You gotta go, you gotta go. Here's how we do the go. Beast Mode style. First, you gotta find yourself a spot that's back away from the campsite a little bit. You don't want to get too close. Things could get weird. You know what I mean? You want a little bit of privacy, not too much, because you gotta go in the middle of the night. You don't want to have to walk through the woods. So we found this good spot right here. So let's do it. First, we need a hole. So let's dig it right here.
And we're digging our hole down probably what?
3 feet or so.
Oh,
4 if we can.
I was thinking we were going down about a foot.
Well, there's a ruler on this thing. Yeah, 36 inches is way up here.
Okay.
Yeah, I doubt we'll get that deep, but we'll see. I mean, we're not that shitty.
Now, you can't choose just to go out in the woods and do your business and, you know, bring your wives with you, but if you're at an extended stay, Steve and I are out here for, this is gonna be 4 days, this trip, and we're gonna need something a little more consistent. Make sure we're not stepping into our own stuff. So we're actually making a tent. We got the potty tent here. Dig a hole. We got some tires we could use to boost ourselves up, but
I tried that one time and it didn't really work that well.
yeah, you're all
The
over
tire
the
cap,
place.
yeah, kind of make you a little seasick.
Tell me a little bit about the tent, Steve.
Yeah. This tent I bought specifically for this. It's meant to be a shower tent, but it is portable pop-up, so it's real quick and easy to set up, and that's why I opted for this one. It's starting to get hard down there.
Yeah, it's very.
Yeah, that may be good enough.
That's it for now.
Hey, if we fill that one up, we can always dig another one.
Yeah. You got the hole dug. You got the trusty.
There's a tent, there's a spider on there. You don't want to sit on that.
Where's the spider?
He's right in the crease here. It's a bee eater. Yeah, we're gonna make sure that's all spider free before we sit down on that.
So you see the hole?
Alright, so we got our hole here. We dug down about 2 feet.
About 18 inches.
Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah, so the idea here is you put this on top of the hole, and then when nature calls, lift that back up. When nature calls, basically you just make your deposit. Okay, and then we're gonna take
Move the stool out of the way.
Yeah, you don't even have to. I usually don't. I just lift the lid.
Lift it, kick it.
Yeah, and then I'll just get another shovel and just take a little bit of dirt and just cover him right up.
Normally what I do is a little bit of this.
Yeah.
Now you don't want to fill the hole up completely. All you want to do
Is just cover up.
just cover up your business.
Yeah, just enough.
Yeah.
Just cover it up. But that'll dampen down any smells or anything like that.
Yeah. You definitely want to use, I mean, toilet paper is probably biodegradable anyways, but you want to use something biodegradable, wipe with. I chuck it in the hole,
Yeah.
and then kick a little bit of dirt over. You're done.
Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Now, don't be like some people that I know and fill the dang hole all the way up and went on the first use.
Dig the entire hole and then fill it all the way back.
Right. I'm like, dude, now we gotta dig another hole. Now, what you wanna do, make your deposit, cover it up just enough to cover up everything and keep, it contained and leave it like that. Then you go again, you just go on top, cover it a little more, go again.
It's like
cover
making a
up,
lasagna.
like a dookie lasagna. It's exactly like this. Okay, so now we got the hole dug. Now we need some privacy. So we're gonna put our tent up.
And before we had this, we're just taking a blue tarp, stringing it across the trees. This is way more.
Yeah, it's
I'm
way
worried
better.
about people way over there. Or
Yeah.
something. Hey Tony, what are you doing?
Taking a dump. And this is so quick and easy to set up. It's just like, why not, I mean, there you go, right there, it's done. And I like to put
No,
the potty
on
right.
this one specifically, you did cut the bottom out.
No, that was the other one.
Oh, this one came with it.
No, this one came with no bottom.
Okay.
Now the other one, I have a bigger one that I use for bigger groups of people. And it was a shower tent, it had a bottom. And I did cut the bottom out of that. The tent's kind of small, so if you put the potty over in the corner like that, there's that spider. See, he just ran across the top.
No, so much no.
So if you put the potty in the corner like that, then it leaves you a little bit more room.
More leg room.
Yeah. You can see. It's good stuff. You know what I mean?
Good stuff.
And then you can bring in some accessories, Check this out. Don't you wish you had one of these? Oh. Okay. There's a hook in here somewhere we can hang this for now. I'm just gonna set it right here. And for the ultra nuclear explosions, we got that.
Yeah, you go to sit down, the tent just shoots up in the air.
I hate it when it happens, man. Okay, so I'm just gonna real quick just throw these 4 stakes in, or not. You know what we need to do? We need to put a Y right here. The pop-up potty. So that's your portable pop-up potty tent, ready to go at a moment's notice, anytime you need it, whenever nature calls. So in the meantime, I'm Steve.
I'm Tony.
Yeah, we're BeastMode Camping. Don't forget, be sure to give this video a like. What else we're gonna do, Tony?
Subscribe, ring the bell so you never miss any future content.
All right, peace out.